In this lecture, you will learn how to add background music to your YouTube outro in PowerPoint itself. As I have already said in YouTube outro section, you can download plenty of copyright free music from YouTube audio library, that is youtube.com/audio library slash music, where you can search for plenty of music and download the ones that you wish. I have already downloaded a long cold music. You can favorite the musics by clicking on this store button or download it by clicking on this download button. You can see that I have downloaded this music and it's just 14 seconds long. Let's come to our PowerPoint presentation where you will learn how to insert this background music. As usual, you can just drag and drop the music, or you can go to insert and then select audio, then select audio on my PC, or you can even record your own audio using your mic. After inserting the audio into your slide, you have got two options, that is, whether to display this audio icon or to hide it while playback. To hide this audio icon, go to Audio Tools, Playback tab and select Play in Background. When you select this audio style, the background music will start to play automatically and it will be looped until you stop it, and it will play across all the slides from this slide to the end of the PowerPoint slideshow. So now let's have a final preview of our YouTube outro design 5. With this, you have completed designing the YouTube outro 5. Thank you.